Welcome back to our channel. Today we have an important topic to discuss, which is dropshipping. While it's often portrayed as an easy and lucrative business model, we want to shed some light on the reality behind dropshipping. In this video, we will explore the reasons why you should think twice before venturing into dropshipping. So let's get started. So one of the major drawbacks of dropshipping is the lack of control and branding opportunities. When you're dropshipping, you're essentially acting as a middleman between the supplier and the customer. You have little control over the quality of products, shipping times, or even customer service. So this can lead to negative experiences for your customers, damaging your reputation and long-term business prospects. So the second part is dropshipping has gained popularity in recent years, which means there is intense competition in the market. With low barriers to entry, anyone can start a dropshipping store. So this oversaturation leads to race to the bottom in terms of pricing, making it difficult to stand out or make a substantial profit. It requires significant effort and expertise to differentiate yourself from the competition. So the other drawback is, as a dropshipper, you typically don't have control over the pricing of the products you sell. Suppliers set the wholesale prices, leaving you with slim profit margins. Additionally, you also have to bear the cost of marketing, advertising, and customer acquisition. When you factor in these expenses, it becomes increasingly challenging to make a decent profit. And the other drawback is, with the dropshipping, you don't have direct control over inventory. So this means you are dependent on your suppliers to fulfill orders promptly and effectively. Unfortunately, many suppliers face challenges in maintaining consistent stock levels and fail to update their inventory in real time. As a result, you may face situations where you are unable to fulfill customer orders, leading to dissatisfaction and potential negative reviews. Another significant concern with dropshipping is shipping and delivery. So since you are relying on suppliers to handle the shipping process, any delays or errors can reflect poorly on your business. So customers expect prompt delivery, and if that expectation is not met, it can result in a loss of trust and potential customer churn. So when dropshipping, you often have limited control over customer service, which is a drawback. It's the supplier who interacts directly with your customers regarding product inquiries, returns, or complaints. So this lack of control can lead to subpar customer experience, ultimately affecting your business reputation and customer loyalty. So while dropshipping may seem like a tempting business model due to its low entry barrier and potential for passive income, it's important to consider the potential pitfalls and challenges it presents. So the lack of control over inventory, branding, customer service, and the intense competition can make dropshipping a difficult venture. So if you are looking for a more sustainable and rewarding business model, it might be worth exploring other options. As always, it's crucial to do thorough research and carefully evaluating your options before diving into any business venture. So that's it for today. We hope you found this information helpful and insightful. If you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up and consider subscribing to our channel for more valuable content. As always, feel free to leave any questions or comments below. And thank you for watching. We'll see you in the next video.